Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change font on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram, and first of all, I'm going to create story. I'm going to click on your story and I'm just going to pick random photo from my gallery. For example, I'm going to select this photo. Okay, and I'm going to add text to the story. I'm going to click on this icon, and for example, I'm just going to add shoe like this. And if you want to change the font, you can go to this section. So these are the font you can use for your Instagram story text. You can choose the font that you like. And for example, I'm just going to select this bubble font, and then once you're done, you can click on done, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to change font on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.